What's going on, guys? Video 2. We're gonna pick up right where we left off. I've already got the colors ready, as you can see in the top right corner. And let's just get right into it. Long day at work. That's what we did. Look at that lighting. Oh, we got another light. I'm already making adjustments. And here we are. This mouse. I've got a cluttered desk at the moment. A very cluttered desk. Let's get these colors over here. I don't even know what to do first. Let's just go with the obvious. Let's go with the obvious. Where is it at? Red. A lot of these colors are looking the same to me. Should I be worried? Let's get into it. The microphone is a little farther than it was last time. So I hope y'all are still hearing. Y'all are still able to hear this. Sorry for the delay on this second one. I really want to post twice a week, but I'm over here just slaving away at work. I'm sure y'all know a little something about that. I just got me a new car though. So I guess it's paying off. It's a white Kia Forte. Man, it took me forever to get insurance. I guess people made it a game about robbing the Kias. Insurance. It's not higher, but I had to find a new someone else. Again, I'm no professional here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm definitely no professional here. come back through here with a different shade of red. Fill in all that extra. There's a lot of no color spots. We're gonna come through and fix that right up. I have very limited range because I'm reaching through my camera setup, so I have to color a certain way. I can't get all up in it, you know. I'm doing the best I can, though. There you go. Yeah, we're definitely gonna come back through there with something else. We gotta get this little tiny one up here. Is that my phone going off right now? Yep, that was my phone going off. Some funny stuff. Can't share it with y'all, but it's good stuff. Oh, I went out of lines. Oh well. I'm honestly gonna come back through with the Wyatt. See what it does. Let's grab this pink. It's like a pink, I think. What's it say? I don't know if y'all can see that. It's kind of blurry. It won't focus. Vermilion, I guess. We're just gonna kinda not spend too much time on it. Yeah. I think we were messing with the browns. On the last page, right? For the leaves, let's backtrack. So we were using browns. Okay. Let's go back. Uh-oh. Let's whip out that brown. Let's do... This is brick red. So we're going to see what brick red looks like. I think this is the one we were using. Oof. Brick red. It almost does look like the red. But it's like really, really bright. Practice makes perfect. I knew we were missing one down here. Maybe later on I'll get a better setup, you know? I won't have to reach over something. But for now, if you stay with me, we work with what we got. Let's see. Let's get that brown out. We can probably just hold this in our hand real quick for this part. Let's apply some pressure to make it real dark. Now we're gonna go light for the actual door. We'll go dark for the doorknob. Alright guys, sorry, I forgot I was filming. And I just started blurting out cuss words. Like, we can't have that. That's funny. These can probably be good. Make them real dark. I have a feeling this is going to be a really dull picture. Not as many colors as the last one. Nice. Let's get. We gotta add some color, right? We got some green right here. Maybe the typical gray rock. Yeah, let's whip both these greens out. As a matter of fact, we got green and then light green. Let's do the light green first. We'll put the light green first. Okay. We'll go real light. Let's get this one over. I just saw that. We gotta get back in there. Let's get this dark green action going. I'm gonna go just as light. I'll just kind of scan over it. Maybe just add accent. Oof. Went a little too hard on that one. Yeah. Look good. Just good though. Just good. I think we're about to whip out some like peach color for the actual base of the mushroom. The stem, if you will. We'll barely even see that. We'll probably come back with it with some yellow. Give it some oomph. Yeah, you barely see that. Don't doze off too quick now. Yeah, see the final product. Get in those windows. Yeah, heck yeah, that was a good idea. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Let's finish this part right here. But where's that red at? Because this is the pink. Or the vermilion. As it says, the vermilion. Here's the red, I think. Yep, that's the red. That's actually under the mushroom. I guess technically it wouldn't be red, would it? We're gonna go light red. We're gonna get that peach back out. We're gonna go over that red real rough. And that didn't work out. That didn't work out. Oh well. What can I mess up on now? The rocks. It says warm gray. Let's do it. You know, it's kind of weird. Some of these look like they've been used already. Some of these colored pencils. green first. So on the grass, let's go dark green first. And then we'll go light. We'll color light with it as well. We might even go in there with some brown. See what it looks like. Thank y'all for being on this adventure with me. I'm still getting used to speaking to a camera. It's something my brother and I are gonna have to get used to. We make music, so we would post it. I can't really tell you what kind of music it is. It's different. It's really different. So, maybe one of these days I'll share it with y'all, but too soon, too soon. If it ends up looking the same, that'd be hilarious. Like I said, we're just gonna accent it like we did the leaves. Just gonna kind of do too much. And then we're gonna have to go really light with the brown. I just want to try some brick red. Should we do? No. We're gonna do brown. Is this the brown? This is the brown. We have the brown. Okay. Oh, no. Almost went too hard. I did go too hard. Literally the emphasis levels. These little speckles. There we go. And like I said, last but not least, we're gonna go in that way. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You see, I'm over here rushing. We still gotta cover this white. We gotta grab that peach. I wonder if the white works good on like colored paper. Like those big colored cardboard papers. I remember always having to use those for school projects. I used to always have to go to Wally World and get those and use them for school projects. Let's get that peach back out. I'm coming out with that peach. Oh, you know what we should do? We should come and get that brown, that red brick. I thought it was red brown. We should just kind of. I went a little too hard on that stem. But that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go on this stem and we're gonna go real light. I'm just finishing touches. There we are. Yeah. Yeah, like I said, a little dull picture. But we're here. We're here together. And I guess you could say that's all that really matters. You might be sleeping. You might not even be hearing me. But that's okay. Now, what do we have to look forward to next week? Is this next week? Am I skipping a page? Now, let's see what we have for the next video. Nice scarecrow at the pumpkin patch. Great. We'll have to be a little more detailed with the colors next time because this one's a little dull. But thanks for being here with me anyway. Video number 2 out.